when Jesse was told to bring his son, he brought 7, although he had 8. Even Jesse himself did not think that David could become king. I don't know who thinks about what about you. They may have written you off because you do not have this and you do not have this. But God does not look from the outside. God does not choose like man. God does his things like God. So I came to tell you, there is a fresh oil that is on you. You may be the replacement. You've already been anointed. Fresh oil. Somebody shout fresh oil, fresh oil. So stay where you are supposed to be, serving the Lord, taking spiritual responsibility. You do not know what is in store for you. I came to caution somebody. Be busy doing your Father's business